We gave him some food and water. He said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and clean your box. Where do I begin? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see today, I got a DIY project. I'm trying to organize my chargers in the top of my Hutch. So I plan on putting the 2 battery chargers on the tray, hanging it back on the Hutch, and routing the wires to the bottom. So you can see here's some of the tools that I use. Scissors, scraper, got some Velcro. I'm using Velcro because sometimes I'll move my box to a different location in the shop. So I like to keep the chargers in the same spot on the top of the tray. Got some zip ties and some holders so I can route the power cable. Right now you can see the way the cables are hanging. It kind of defeats the purpose of everything I'm trying to do. So I need to secure them to the bottom of the tray, kind of get them out the way, make it look more professional. You see everything's laid out. I got the hole drilled in the back of the tray. Power cable is routed, plugged in. Zip tie holders installed, zip ties. Yes, sir. Got the cables coiled up. Got my trusty snap-on cutters, specifically bought to cut the zip ties. Everything's completed. Cords tucked away. Everything looks nice and neat. I like it. What you think about it? Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching.